We'll guide you through how to make a worksheet editable in Google Classroom. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your PC or computer and wait until it is fully ready to use. Then use a browser. For example, here I use Google Chrome to access the internet. To open it, double-click the Google Chrome icon and wait for the browser window to appear. In the search bar, type classroom.google.com and press enter to go directly to Google Classroom. Make sure you already have a class created before continuing with the next steps. Select one of your available classes where you want to post the worksheet. After that, choose Classwork, click Create, and select Assignment to start making a new task. Write the title, for example, to be Practice, Am, Is, Are, so students know the topic. Then write the instructions that match the assignment clearly and briefly. Set the deadline. For example, set it for tomorrow, so students know when to submit their work. Next, open a new tab in your browser, click Google Apps, scroll down, and click Slides to create the worksheet template. Click Blank Presentation to start with an empty slide. Delete the existing text on the slide to clear the layout. Click Background and try changing the background using the prepared worksheet file. Then click Open to apply it. Click File and adjust the page setup by selecting Custom and set it to match the worksheet size so the layout fits properly. After that, add a text box to create areas where students can type their answers. Place and adjust the text boxes in the sections that need to be filled in so everything aligns with the worksheet design. Once finished, rename the file to match the assignment title in Classroom to keep it consistent. Go back to Classroom, click Drive, select the file you just created, and click Add to attach it. Click File Sharing Options and change it to make a copy for each student so every student gets their own editable version. Then click Assign and the assignment has been successfully created. Open another account as a student and click the assignment file to test it. Check the result and the worksheet is now editable in Google Classroom successfully.